Good morning. Today is the last day of this Nakhon Phanom Fire Festival. We might be going to a temple today, which is why we're both wearing white-ish shirts. And tonight they're gonna light up that boat with all the different lights. And it's supposed to be the biggest day of the festival. You like today?
Yes.
Yes. All right, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. We just got our drinks. I got an iced mocha. This was 55 baht. Yui, how much was yours? Oh, hers was 35 baht. She got a iced coconut and cream, or coconut and milk. That's actually really good also. Now we're gonna go relax and drink our drinks. Gamui's ready for lunch. Yui, what did you get?
Million party.
Oh, how much was it?
40
40 baht? Okay. Cap and cap.
Laos.
All right, let's go walking and eat your lunch. I had a huge pork fried rice, and that was only like an hour and a half ago. And then I had an iced mocha. So I'm not really hungry at all. But we're at a fair, and if you are hungry, you better eat because there's a lot of good food here. Yet, you're not gonna find too much better of a place to find world-class food that is cheaper than really anywhere else. And it's all different. I mean, there's a lot of the same stalls, but it's all unique food. And there's something for everybody here. Something salty, something sweet, something crazy. They got it. Ice is cheap here. Giant balloons. That's a nice pin too. She doesn't like to film. Some of the times that she's had to film me doing stuff, you might be able to guess that she's not necessarily a professional filmmaker. Oh, this is so cute. Did you see that kid, that little kid? He wasn't really playing, but that was so cute. All right, now she's looking at some jewelry. Yui, you see anything you like? I guess not. That's just like me though. I don't really want to buy anything. I just like to go in the shops and look. Yes. Oh, right here in my, oh, it's down there a bit. They sell some French fries I like. Yes. Oh, you want French fries with this? Yes. In a few hours, I'll be able to eat. Yes, she's all excited about eating the sandwich because it's a Laos style sandwich, whereas she says Lao. All right. I didn't know what she was doing. She was on her way down here to go eat her sandwich, and she stopped and bought this. I don't know what to describe it as. I'll just show you. It's like a thing to sit on, but it's made out of like the same thing as like a bag of chips.
You never.
No, America no have cooking.
Isan have.
Yes. What are we gonna do with it when we're done? Bring it back to the Long Lam?
Yes.
Or keep here? Leave here?
Backpack.
Backpack? Okay, up to you. Yes, roll it up.
Tomorrow.
Yes, we'll use it tomorrow. Okay. All right. You see something new every day. Well, it's starting to get dark, and soon enough, this fireboat is gonna light up. I didn't get the camera turned on in time, but there was a guy in like I forget what they're called, like an airplane suit or whatever it's called, and he flew by in the sky like a jetpack. That's pretty much what it was, but it looked like a giant fan at it. You see, the man in the sky. But just a few moments, it's gonna get dark, and then we'll get to see the nighttime festivities. Okay. Also, I've been here for a few days at this Nakhon Phanom Festival, and I'm just now noticing that I'm not just now noticing Laos is on the other side of the river, but I'm just noticing now that Laos is pretty much having the same festival over there as we're having over here. I almost want to get an extension, I don't know what it's called, to go into Laos, because Yui wants to go into Laos. But I think it's a bit more complicated than that, so I don't think we're going to go to Laos this time. Maybe next time I come to Thailand. Well, the record button didn't hit record in time to see him right in front of us. But that was the guy. He's flying up and down this river. Maybe he has enough gas to do one more pass. Well, the night has begun, and I got us dinner. Even though she's full, I got her some spicy tom sum. I got a bunch of pork and sticky rice. And I got some dried grape looking things. But I have to show you this moon that's over there. It's just so orange. See, right there. That's the moon. I don't know if you can see how orange it is. But the dinner cruises are going all along the river. I tried to get Gamui on one, but she doesn't like boats. Maybe next time. And hopefully soon enough. When's the fireboat gonna start?
Lai Reua Fai.
Yes, what time? Like 1 hour? Okay, maybe it'll start in about an hour. And I'll show you that in just a minute. A lot of people here. So I'm gathering this is probably the most popular festival in Nakhon Phanom. Seems like everybody in Nakhon Phanom is here. So in the previous video, remember how I showed you me putting my boat in like the year of the rat boat? These are now being lit up and floated down the river. I don't know which one that is. That's one of them. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but that thing's pretty cool. There's 2 more right there. They're gonna do all 12 of them. So it really is kind of like the 4th of July. Oh, those must be like... Can you see what this is in camera? I think these are all like little boats or something. That can't be the fireworks. It's been a good solid like 20 minutes or so, and these little light boats that I thought was like from the fireworks are definitely not fireworks. They're still floating them down the river. It's pretty cool. I wanted to go down there and see them lighting it, but I see them all like in the middle of the river, so I'm pretty sure I won't be able to get a good look at it anyways. Plus these seats, I don't know if you can tell, are really starting to fill up, so I don't think I'll be able to easily get back here. It's starting to get really crowded. I like it. I decided to leave at the worst time. They lit the boat right as I left. Gamway's probably, Jeff, where'd you go? So I'm gonna walk back. There's so many people, so crowded. Well, maybe my battery's not about to die. I decided I didn't want to miss the boat going by us, so I didn't go down to see all the where they're lighting all the little boats. So I apologize if the camera's too dark. I don't want to take it off of its tripod thing, GoPro mount, and fix it. That's what was going on. The I love you turned into money symbols. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's something you wouldn't be allowed to do in America. That's pretty cool. She's happy. So good, I like. Happy, very happy. She's very happy. Nakhon Phanom, yeah, it's right. Oh, I think they're guiding it, making sure it doesn't. They're like driving it down the river. Gamui is saying, see some town. This is definitely worth coming to Nakhon Phanom for. If you want to go to Nakhon Phanom, maybe one of the best times of the year to go is from October 1st to October 10th. On October 10th, I believe annually, they're gonna do this fireboat thing. It's only on the 10th though. Yeah. They're doing 12 different fireboats here. And if you can't tell, it's been well over an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And those little boats that are in the river are still going strong. Everybody that came to this festival must have put their name in. I did one of them myself. One of those has my name in it. It has my name and the year I was born, the day, my birthday. Again, we did one. That is really cool. So far I've seen 4. I don't know if there's gonna be any more or not, but those little boats are still going strong. There must be hundreds of them. Yang?
อำเภอนาแก่
Nampu Angge. What?
บ้านแพง
Ban Pang. District Ban Pang? She said there's 12 boats, one for each district. I think there's 77 districts in Bangkok. Or no, provinces. Oh, if somebody knows, please let me know. I think I see an elephant. Yang?
ป่าปาก
Oh. District. Papa. That's the Papa district. Oh. Nakhon Phanom City District. So now that I figured out exactly what it is, there's 12 districts in the province of Nakhon Phanom, and there's one boat for each district of the province of Nakhon Phanom. Okay. Yes, that one's for Nakhon Phanom City. Like, here. Yes, this. Here. Yes. Well, that was the grand finale of the Fire Festival, as I understand it. And that is also the end of this video, so go on and get your own adventure on. Bye.